The Punjab and Haryana High Court has questioned why there was a delay in filing a proper FIR when it comes to the shocking case where a serving colonel of the Indian Army, Colonel Pushpinder Bhatt, and his son were assaulted by the Punjab police. I'm Barkhadat. You're with the Mojo story. These shocking images should have jolted everybody and the entire system into action. But despite these shocking images of an assault on a serving army colonel and his son, a issue that we have been following from the very first day since it took place, it has taken unprecedented street protests and dharnas for the country to actually pay attention. And a large part of the credit for this has to go to the feisty wife of Colonel Bhatt, Jaswinder Kaur, who you see there on your screen, and you've also seen and heard her on our platform here at the Mojo Story. Ex-servicemen and soldiers and veterans have all been out on the streets demanding justice. And yet, it has taken the governor's intervention before a proper FIR could be registered. Now, the top cop of Punjab is speaking out and saying, don't make this an army versus police case. But why has the chief minister of the state not reached out to the family? He should have done this on the very first day. Where is Bhagwant Maan? The family has petitioned the Punjab and Haryana High Court. They want the case to be handed over to the CBI or an agency outside of the state. Remember, this is not about one individual. It is about the institution of the army, the respect that we accord to the uniform, the izzat with which we treat the military. And it is about the impunity of the policemen in this case, which, as Jaswinder Kaur chronicled in great detail in an interview to me, about 12 men who were drunk and arrogant. She believed that her husband could have died. Later, I interviewed her son as well, and he described the horror of throwing himself over his father's body as he lay unconscious on the ground, still getting thrashed by these policemen all over a so-called parking dispute. I want to welcome to the program our two very special guests today as we look at the implications of this and what should and could happen next. Joining me now is Jaswinder Kaur Bhatt, the wife of Colonel Pushpinder Bhatt, but no less of a soldier. I was saying to her before the show started that she's like an army by herself. And I also want to welcome to the program former ADGP of Punjab, Gurinder Dhillon. He is, of course, now with the Congress party, but he's here today in his capacity as a veteran IPS officer who's written an excellent column on the mistakes that were made by the Punjab police and what should happen next. Welcome to all three of you, to both of you rather, to the program. And I want to start before I come to Gurinder ji's column. Jaswinder ji, kya haal hai? Since we last spoke, I know you must be so tired. I have seen you day after day. आप धरने पे लगी हैं, लड़ाई पे लगी हैं. You're no less of a soldier. I know last time we were speaking, you broke down in tears. क्या हाल है अभी? How are you feeling?
The tears are still there, the pain is still there, but there's no justice still given. People are roaming around after their FIRs, still roaming around enjoying their life, and the people who are victim, are still facing the consequences. Running from one pillar to the other pillar to get justice, but I will still fight. As I told you, I'm a soldier's wife. I won't back out. I will fight till I get justice.
What has been the most horrible thing for you? Of course, the incident itself. And can we bring up those images now just to remind our audience what happened to Jaswinder ji's son and her husband? Horrific images, that the nation has been shocked by. But Jaswinder ji, आपने कहा कि tears are still there, the pain is still there, but justice नहीं मिली. What has been the most shocking thing for you after this incident? Like to me, what is shocking is कि चीफ मिनिस्टर ने कुछ नहीं बोला, वो आपसे मिले नहीं अभी तक, उसकी भी तारीख पे तारीख लग रही है, FIR फाइल करने के लिए गवर्नर की इंटरवेंशन की जरूरत पड़ी, and this is after days and days of fighting. So what has been the most shocking and the most tiring thing for you, ma'am?
Shocking and tiring is that the first thing what I did was when I went to SSP, I showed him all the evidence and everything. And he sheltered these four gundas in uniform for what? He did not take his name until and unless the FIR was written. And he was still sheltering him, and he's still doing that. Then after the pressure of media and pressure of the morchas, they got a magistrate inquiry done, which is again a district administration and district police, which is again a combined thing, because this district administration will never go against district police, because they cannot go against each other. And
Hmm.
today, as we had appealed at the High Court for CBI inquiry, my demands are only that the SSP Nanak, who've tortured the people of Patiala, he has so many things. Matlab, I sitting there in the morcha, I've realized that every house has an incident with these four people. They're killing everybody's son. The encounters, the fake encounters case have just opened up, and they found out that they've just been doing encounters. They call them encounter specialists. These four encounter specialists are not encounter specialists, they're gunda specialists.
Hmm.
They had so much of a right to hit anybody. The way they did, you see the arrogance they were had when they were pulling my husband out, and they've taken after showing the I card. And one of the videos he said, "हमें पता नहीं था कि वो army officer है." And I had told then also, and I still say the same thing. It is question is not being army officer or not. Can they have a right to beat somebody brutally, and that till the time he was dead, he was lying on the floor, they were beating him. For them, he was almost dead. And
Yeah.
after that, also, police was not taking any action.
Before I go to Gurinder ji, I want to ask you, you said you're still not hopeful of justice. I want to understand that. Why do you feel after the statements of the Punjab DGP who has promised action, उन्होंने joint press conference भी की आर्मी के साथ, उन्होंने कहा जरूर strictest of strictest punishment होगी. Why are you still very skeptical कि justice मिलेगा?
जी 10 दिन जिनके नाम लेने से एक एसएसपी 4 SHO के नाम लेने से डर रहा था 10 दिन, तो डू यू थिंक जस्टिस कैन बी गिवन? हु कैन नो इट बेटर सिस्टम देन आपने डीजीपी ढिल्लो साहब? Justice, if had to be given, should have been given in the very first day. FIR would have been written, and these four people should have been actually the people who are recognized by my husband were four. Rest were their party, which is their statement that these people were involved. It is not my husband has given statement for 8 of them. My husband recognizes only four of them, because they were naming each other while doing, and then they told him that I am Harjinder Tillo. Remember, I'm the encounter specialist. He was talking when they were hitting them and they were abusing. And then he told Boparai, get the dandas. Things like this. And you've seen it yourself. I don't even like seeing these videos because it makes me weak. But today, my strength is my Punjab. Not only Punjab, the whole nation is standing with me. The veterans, ex-servicemen, even the police organizations are calling me and they are standing with me. Why is the police organization not standing with their police organization? Because they say it is injustice.
Yes. These images that we are seeing are signs of mass support. We have seen mass protests. And as Jaswinder ji said, the whole country is standing with her. We are certainly standing very firmly with her. We have been on this horrific case from the very first day since we came to know of it. But Gurinder ji, I want to bring you in now. And I know today you speak not as a Neta, but as a veteran IPS officer. You have, firstly, I'll start with Mrs. Bhatt, whom we call Jaswinder Kaur. आपने अपने कॉलम में लिखा शी इज इक्वल टू 40 women. आपने कहा कि अगर 40 ऐसे औरतें होती पंजाब में तो पंजाब की सारी जो प्रॉब्लम्स हैं वो सारी ही सॉल्व हो जाती है. इनफैक्ट योर एग्जैक्ट लाइन इज इफ पंजाब हैड 40 women like Mrs. Bhatt, all of Punjab would be different, and that the Punjab police did not expect that there would be such a fierce fight from the family. Is that the first mistake that was made by them?
I think probably it was. Uh, because I'm surprised that the SHO was saying कि उनको पता ही नहीं था कि ये कर्नल साहब हैं. इसका मतलब कि अगर आपको पता नहीं था तो आप कुछ भी कर लो. बट आई फील कि मैंने अपने इस आर्टिकल में भी लिखा है कि द ब्रेवरी ऑफ जसविंदर कौर जी इज एग्जाम्पलरी. और ऐसी हमें 40 लेडीज वी गेट इन पंजाब, we can set the Punjab in order. This is what is very important and a lesson and a milestone which she has created for the people of Punjab, and that is very important because slowly what has happened is that people feel कि पुलिस से डरो, पुलिस क्या करेगी, For example, I'm surprised if I don't know, she is saying, and if I'm sure कि वो कह रहे हैं तो उनके हस्बैंड ने सुना होगा कि जी मैं एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट हूँ. I am not in my about 3 decades of service. I have not seen that we give any training to any sub inspector probationers कि उनको एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट बनाना है और एनकाउंटर कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. I am surprised if that sub inspector or inspector was saying so.
Yeah, but I'll just get Jaswinder ji to respond to this briefly because I remember Jaswinder ji आपने मुझे बताया था कि not just did they claim to be encounter specialist, उन्होंने धमकी भी दी कि जिस तरह हम एनकाउंटर करके आए हैं और आपका भी कर सकते हैं, ये भी बोला
आपका
उन्होंने.
नहीं, दे सेड कि एक एनकाउंटर करके आया, दूजा कर रहे हैं, बच गया ते सवेरे आके आई कार्ड ले जाए. एंड देन दे सेड दे डिड नॉट नो दैट ही इज अ आर्मी ऑफिसर.
Yeah. So Gurinder ji, your column details some of the mistakes that the police made, and you say that at every step there were different mistakes made. Can you recount the key mistakes basis what you have written in your excellent column?
Thank you so much for recognizing and appreciating my article. Yes, I wrote from my experience and what I gathered. There is no doubt, but at the very first spot, when some trigger happened at that Taba, this inspector, whosoever was at the spot, he should have acted professionally. And if there was some interaction, he should have called local SHO and handled himself standing in his uniform, not coming out of his uniform. What he did was that he just came out of his uniform and did not stand in his uniform shoes and became arrogant. And instead of following the law, for which he is trained, he followed what is not required for the police to follow.
Yeah, absolutely. And ma'am has also said that several of the men were drunk. एक तो ये बात है. दूसरी बात ये है कि even when her husband was lying unconscious on the ground, they kept beating him. Her son had to throw himself over for his father to protect him. But Gurinder ji, उसके बाद FIR against unidentified people file किया जाता है. ये क्या बात?
That's what I have written in the article. That yes. Are we not learning from the lessons? The issue is you have taken the identity card, you have called your colleagues, you have together done something which is misconduct and also criminal act. Now at least the senior officers who were aware of this, what has happened, the first thing required was कि जब victim is in hospital तो उसकी रिपोर्ट जाती है पुलिस को और पुलिस अपना आईओ भेजती है उसको उसका स्टेटमेंट लेने के लिए. उसकी स्टेटमेंट के ऊपर पर्चा होना चाहिए था. हम लिखते हैं कि ये 4 बंदे आइडेंटिफाइड हैं और बाकी 10 जो है उनको सामने आके मैं आइडेंटिफाई कर सकता हूं. सेकंडली, विक्टिम वाज द कर्नल साहब एंड हिज सन, नॉट दैट ढाबा वाला. Even police, the proper ethical, not only ethical, but I would say police practical work is that we have to take this statement from the victim or somebody from the victim's family who was nearby or who witnessed it. So what they created, जो उन्होंने जो पहली FIR लॉन्च की है एक ढाबे वाले के मालिक से, I think that was first thing कि जो उन्होंने बात कही कि अब इसको बचाया कैसे जाए और फिर लैक ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस के कारण जो बचाने की प्रोसेस शुरू की वो टोटली इलीगली शुरू कर ली. आई फील दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव मेंशन्ड कि जो FIR, जो भी कंप्लेनेंट FIR लिखा रहा है, जो कंप्लेनेंट अपनी कंप्लेंट दे रहा है, लॉ इज वेरी क्लियर and very well reiterated by Honorable Supreme Court.
So you're saying the police violated the law?
Yes, I am very clearly saying that police violated law as well as the order of the Honorable Supreme Court in Lalita Kumari's judgment.
Who is responsible, before I go back to ma'am, if police violated the law at the time of the FIR registering? So wo kiski responsibility? Is it the SSP? Where did the buck stop?
I think the first responsibility, SHO, SSP and the DG of the state. These are 3 important postings which take care of all issues of the crime and crime management. The issue is first buck falls on, of course, SSP. And then I know in all such cases it is not that it would take 2 घंटे लगेंगे कि इंफॉर्मेशन जाने के. आज के सोशल मीडिया के, मोबाइल के, टेलीफोन पे, वीडियो कॉल के सारा कुछ विद इन फ्यू मिनट्स पता चल गया होगा कि क्या हुआ है. I
जी
feel that it's a collective responsibility, failure collective responsibility कि FIR दर्ज होने में क्या प्रॉब्लम थी. Now this can't be investigated. For example, you are saying, जसविंदर जी is saying कि देखो जी अभी तक सीएम ने, मैं तो आई एम इन यूएस, although I am sorry, I am ex serviceman, chairperson Punjab Pradesh Congress Committee, but since I was away I was not present there.
यस
But आया सीएम पंजाब जो होम मिनिस्टर हैं, क्या उन्होंने उनकी जहां उसकी उनकी सीएमओ ने या सीएमआर ने अभी तक इसके बारे में जो स्टेटमेंट नहीं दी, उससे बहुत कुछ ऐसा लग रहा है कि देयर इज समथिंग ग्रे. सो दैट इज व्हाई आई हैव रिटन in my tweet, not in the article because I wanted to keep article within the bounds of
या
my writing, but at the same time nobody feels in the state, or I have talked to so many NRIs कि नहीं जी पंजाब पुलिस का तो कुछ नहीं हो सकता, ये तो अगर किसी की भी सिट बना देंगे, जो प्रेजेंट गवर्नमेंट है उसको पता ही नहीं है कि क्या हो रहा है, और उनके पास एक्सपीरियंस
सो
ही नहीं है, और वो कुछ भी
So
गवर्नमेंट
you're
का
so
कुछ नहीं
you're
होगा.
saying you're very surprised that Chief Minister is still silent. So I want to get
I am very
I want to
surprised.
I want to bring in Jaswinder ji here. Jaswinder ji, when I was talking to your son, I said, you know, it was just a couple of days after this assault. तो मुझे लगा कि जरूर सीएम के घर से फोन तो आया होगा. तो मैंने उनसे पूछा कि मैंने कहा आपको सीएम का फोन आया, सीएम के ऑफिस के? उन्होंने कहा कुछ नहीं आया. नाउ आई विल आस्क यू, इतने दिन गुजर गए, हैव यू हर्ड फ्रॉम भगवंत मान और हिज ऑफिस?
I had Ajit Pal ji हैं जो हमारे MLA from Patiala. I had
जी
reported and shown him all the evidence, all the confessions, and I had shown him all the photographs. And the first person to call up at control room at 1:45, 1:20, calling up SHO civil line, calling SSP Nanak, and 2 o'clock DIG Mandeep Sidhu also. And he has answered the call, and DSP Satnam. After that, also informing the first FIR means first person who inform. After
या
that, also, if the FIR was not done on our name, and the dhabawala went there and complained there was a fight in our मेरे ढाबे के सामने, और वहाँ लड़ाई हो गई, और बोला कि एक कर्नल साहब उसके जो गाड़ी से आए कुछ लोग सिविल कपड़ों में, वो हमें उनको मैं पहचानता नहीं हूँ. ही डजंट रिकॉग्नाइजेस देम, बट ही वाज द वन हु शोड मी वीडियोस, एंड ही रिकॉग्नाइज कि ये है, ये है, ये है. और वो बंदा दूसरे दिन सुबह मुकर जाता है, क्योंकि उसने उसी दिन कहा था मैडम आप ना, जब मैंने कहा ये डीवीआर पुलिस को दे दो, कहता है मैम पहले छोटी सी क्लिपिंग बना लो, कल डीवीआर आपको शायद मिले ना. And he was the one who said, "Ma'am, आज जो पूछना है पूछ लो, कल मैं आपको कुछ बोल नहीं सकूंगा." And that same guy is, FIR is done, and for 3 days they kept on playing around with me for FIR, and then this thing happened. And SSP Nanak, in his own office, he told me, "I have a witness with me, Mr. Gurtej Tillo and Mrs. Dona, जो मेरी sister और brother-in-law है," कि he said कि compromise is only the option in this case.
So who said
SSP
this?
said,
Who
this
said this?
SSP Nanak,
SSP.
SSP Nanak told me this.
So what did he want you to do? कि भाई आप केस
He
वापस
was
ले लो.
saying कि गलती हो गई है बच्चों, मतलब उनसे हो गया है, whatever happened, ठीक है माँ. Is it not visible in the window that how, in the videos, that how brutally he is beating somebody? Question is not being Colonel Saab here. Question is, do they have? And these 4 SHOs are not from that area, because when I mentioned that, they made a DDR that he was going to pick up call a drug peddler को पकड़ने जा रहा था ढाबा के पास. वहाँ यूनिफॉर्म नहीं पहनी थी, क्योंकि they did not want drug peddler to recognize him. But they went in you must have seen it in the video, that there was a police gadi coming with a flashlight. So what kind of a story is this? You're killing every person in
So
encounters in Patiala.
the SSP, you had to run around for pillar to post. He धमकी दी, FIR नहीं फाइल किया, compromise का pressure किया. But CM, have you heard from the chief minister? I believe you're going to be meeting him now end of the month.
That is so after I tell you, 15th of March, I had reported complete incident, and then his Ajit ji told me that I will be taking an appointment on Monday and giving it to you. Till that time, I had trust in the system, and I had because it was two uniform people's fight. I did not wanted to make it a issue. But today also they're saying it is a fight between army and police, and they're just trying to take a different turn. But it's not a fight between Indian army or police. It is fight against the corrupted officers and people who are wearing gunda uniforms and treating people with no respect.
Gurinder ji, do you feel sorry, Gurinder ji, do you feel the DGP was too late in getting involved? Like now he's had this big press conference. Should he have got involved much earlier?
आई एम श्योर कि उनको सारा कुछ पता होगा कि क्या हो रहा है। ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता कि एसएसपी को जो पता है वो डीजी साहब को पता ना हो। ये पुलिस की फंक्शनिंग ऐसे नहीं है जो अभी नजर आ रही है कि ऐसा है। पहली बात है कि जो इनएक्शन था पुलिस का, पहले जो भी ट्रिगर हुआ हो, हमारी पुलिस को एक ट्रेनिंग है कि जैसे फुटबॉलर की ट्रेनिंग होती है ना कि आप फील्ड में अगर झगड़ा होगा तो आपके हाथ पीछे को होंगे। ये नहीं होगा कि आप फिस्टिक अप करने लग जाओ, जहां पिटाई करने लग जाओ। सिमिलरली वी इन यूनिफॉर्म वी आर ट्रेन्ड रेगुलरली, वी गेट ट्रेनिंग एंड ऑन द जॉब एज वेल एज अदरवाइज कि वी डू नॉट हैव टू हिट द अदर पर्सन।
राइट,
हमने ही तो लॉ को फॉलो करना है और हम ही ब्रेक कर रहे हैं। सेकंडली फिर ब्रेक करके उसको कवर अप कर रहे हैं और फिर पुलिस का इनएक्शन। फिर एक इंसिडेंट की 2 एफआईआर, जैसे बैबल कला और कोटकपुरा फायरिंग में 2-4 एफआईआर की हैं 2 की जगह। और ये सारा कुछ बता रहा है कि हमने अपनी गलतियों से नहीं सीखा। क्या फर्क पड़ता था आप ये कहने की बजाय कि आप हमारे बंदों से गलती हो गई है तो वो सॉरी फील कर लेंगे। द काइंड ऑफ एक्शन जो इनके कलर साहब को उन्होंने जैसे हिट किया है वो सॉरी फील करने वाली बात नहीं है, वो एक्शन की बात है। प्रॉब्लम ये हो गई है कि अभी भी दोबारा हमने ये कल्चर शुरू कर दिया है कि ये एनकाउंटर स्पेशलिस्ट है जी, ये होना चाहिए, ये होना चाहिए। वी आर स्टिल नॉट फॉलोइंग दिस गवर्नमेंट को, जहां तो पता ही नहीं है और जहां फिर ये इतना कर रहे हैं कि इनको लग रहा है कि हम आगे तो आएंगे नहीं, जो करना है जो होना है करने दो। दिस इज वेरी सैड स्टेट। दिस ऑनरेबल सीएम जो हमारे जो स्टेट के हैं, मैं लॉ एंड ऑर्डर में रहा हूं 2 साल, आई विल स्टिल रिक्वेस्ट हिम, प्लीज टेक कमांड, डोंट थ्रो एवरीथिंग टू डेलीगेट सो मच कि आपको पता ही ना लगे कि क्या हो रहा है, तो आप बात को डिफेंड ही करते रहो। आई फील कि जो भी ये वाला एक्शन है इसके ऊपर फर्स्ट एफआईआर जो रजिस्टर होनी चाहिए थी वो जहां जो जसविंदर की स्टेटमेंट पर होनी चाहिए थी, जहां कलर साहब की स्टेटमेंट पर होनी चाहिए थी। 2 एफआईआर की जरूरत नहीं है एक इंसिडेंट के लिए। ये सारी बातें एक ट्रस्ट को वैनिश करा रही हैं। तो होना ये चाहिए दैट अभी तक अगर सीएम नहीं कुछ कहना चाहते तो सीएमओ है और सीएमआर है, बाकी ब्यूरोक्रेसी है, होम सेक्रेटरी थे। अच्छा किया, चलो आई थिंक व्हाट वी नीड, मैंने इसी आर्टिकल में रखा है कि होम सेक्रेटरी शुड बी दी अमंग द सीनियर मोस्ट आईएएस ऑफिसर, ही इज बॉस ऑफ द पुलिस and we had a home secretary who was junior, very junior officer, because you can't in hierarchy ये ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। और ये सारी बातें जो हो रही हैं, आई फील कि इट इज लैक ऑफ एक्सपीरियंस ऑन पार्ट ऑफ दिस गवर्नमेंट। लेकिन पंजाब के लोग क्यों फेस करें, जैसे जसविंदर जी फेस कर रहे हैं, कर्नल साहब फेस कर रहे हैं। प्रोफेशनल पुलिसिंग होनी चाहिए। हम 21st सेंचुरी में है ना कि हम ये 80 का पंजाब है कि जो 80 वाला हो रहा था वो दोबारा शुरू कर।
बिल्कुल। Now before I get last comments from both of you कि आगे क्या होना चाहिए, क्या होगा, where will जसविंदर जी take her लड़ाई, I want to play out a clip from the press conference. ये press conference जो हुई है जहां पे वायदा किया गया है कि strict action will be taken against these policemen. Let's take a look at this.
We reiterate the need for a fair and honest investigation in a transparent and a very time-bound manner to punish the guilty and restore faith in the system. The guilty police personnel should be punished in a timely and an exemplary manner so that the incident does not vitiate the atmosphere and affect the long-cherished bonhomie between the civil administration and Punjab Police with the serving and retired army personnel.
So there was an attempt, Gurinder ji, before I give Jaswinder ji the last word, army and police holding a joint press conference, something that could have been done maybe much earlier in the curve of this, but you heard the Lieutenant General there, you and the DGP was sitting next to him. अब क्या होना चाहिए गुरिंदर जी? अब क्या होना चाहिए?
भाई, पहली बात है कि आप जितनी मर्जी, यस इट्स ओके, आप एक दूसरे को मिल रहे हो, आर्मी और पुलिस में हम बॉर्डर स्टेट हैं, हमारी कोऑर्डिनेशन होनी चाहिए और सदा ही रही है। लेकिन अगर हमारे कोई पुलिस ऑफिसर जो एसएचओ लेवल के अपने आप को इतना पावरफुल समझ रहे हैं कि वो कुछ भी कर लेंगे, उनके खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई नहीं होगी, तो इसको हैंडल करने की जरूरत है। माई एसएचओ जो यूनिफॉर्म में काम कर रहा है, उसकी जो कंडक्ट है वो उस लिमिट में रहनी चाहिए। प्रॉब्लम ये है कि अब ये क्या होना चाहिए कि जो एफआईआर रजिस्टर की है उसकी इन्वेस्टिगेशन प्रॉपर हो। लेकिन जैसे जसविंदर जी कह रहे हैं और मेरी भी फीलिंग है, जो बाकियों से बात करके लग रही है, कि शायद ऐसा ये सरकार ना कर सके कि ये एफआईआर की इन्वेस्टिगेशन मेरिट पे करवा सके। इसलिए जहां तो जो सिट बनाई है वो अभी इनके पास आई है कि नहीं, ये तो जसविंदर जी बता सकती हैं कि वो एफआईआर के लिए सिट इनके पास आई है, उन्होंने कोई स्टेटमेंट्स रिकॉर्ड की हैं और इनकी उनके ऊपर सेटिस्फेक्शन क्या है, नहीं है। तो पंजाब गवर्नमेंट को, सीएम पंजाब को क्या डिफिकल्टी है कि ये कहने के लिए कि टू मेंटेन द ट्रस्ट ऑफ द गवर्नमेंट, मैं आपकी रिक्वेस्ट पे ये लिख रहा हूं कि हम ये इसकी फर्दर इन्वेस्टिगेशन जो है वो सीबीआई करे।
So you do believe the case needs to go to the CBI, and Colonel Bhatt and his family have also asked the High Court that उस पे notice issue किया गया है, if my information is correct, Jaswinder ji. Let me give you the last word. Gurinder ji says CBI को दे दो to maintain trust. Is
Absolutely.
Is that
This
your
is what I
demand as
want.
well?
Yeah, because see CBI, because it जब ये इतना fabricated witnesses देखो पंजाब पुलिस करेगी या पंजाब डिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रही है, they are all joined together.
They tried to blame your son in the beginning, if you remember.
Yeah, and if you the same thing that I said, if my son had beaten them, और वैसे भी वो चारों SHOs उस एरिया के नहीं थी, अगर if they saw them doing wrong, they should have taken a clip and they should have taken him to the police station and lodge a FIR. They can't be hitting.
Sorry, I am intervening.
हाँ जी.
Sorry, I am intervening.
हाँ जी.
That is what is being alleged. But आप, मैंने अपने आर्टिकल में भी लिखा है कि किसी क्राइम करने के लिए एक मोटिव है और एक एक्शन है। अगर कलर साहब के बेटे ने कुछ ऐसा किया था जो अनलॉफुल था, जहां उनकी गाड़ी गलत पार्क थी और उन्होंने, लड़के ने, एक इमेच्योर बच्चे ने, जहां अडल्ट ने अगर इसके साथ मिसबिहेव किया था, तो दैट क्लियरली शोज कि एक मोटिव है और उसके बाद इन्होंने जो एक्शन किया है। मोटिव क्या था कि ये लड़के ने हमें ऐसा क्यों किया। नाउ दिस प्रूव्स कि जो एक्शन हुआ है वो मोटिव के साथ हुआ और वेंजियंस के साथ किया। इससे क्लियर कट केस ऑफ क्रिमिनल लायबिलिटी।
I understand what you're saying.
होनी चाहिए।
I understand what you're saying. आप ये कह रहे हैं कि अगर कुछ हुआ भी, ऐसी आर्ग्यूमेंट हुई या उनका एलिगेशन सच भी होता, तो दे आर ओनली प्रूविंग what ma'am is saying कि भैया उसके बाद आपने ऐसे रिएक्ट किया। So Jaswinder ji,
if they were wrong, they should have taken a photograph, taken him to the police station. 12 जाने थे वो, SHO सिविल लाइन को बुलाते और इसको उठा के ले जाते। 12 बंदे इसको उठा के ले जाने से। और दूसरी बात, अगर मेरे बेटे ने हिट किया तो उन्होंने कर्नल साहब को क्यों, पूरी वीडियो में वो कर्नल साहब को क्यों पीट रहे हैं? Means my son is hitting him and then he's hit Colonel Saab.
Also 12 people who are police enforcers versus 2.
And अगर गाड़ी पार्किंग गलत थी तो उसका चालान काटते, फोटो। They were not authorized to be, उनका वो एरिया ही नहीं था, बुलाते ट्रैफिक पुलिस को और चालान काटते।
Jaswinder ji, I want to give you the last word. You know, we don't want to make this army versus police. आपने जैसे कहा कि हर एक यूनिफॉर्म की अपनी इज्जत होनी चाहिए, अपनी जगह होनी चाहिए, अपनी रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए। लेकिन एक आर्मी ऑफिसर को लगे कि मेरी प्राइड, मेरा रिस्पेक्ट, मेरा सब कुछ है। That is what it is for a man or woman in uniform, right? How is your husband doing? How is he feeling today?
He's feeling very low because see, question is pride and respect is what he's been wearing for years. The way they have put an allegation today that he was drinking, so to prove himself that he was right, it is very important for us to get justice. So for justice will only come if it's a CBI inquiry. And I will tell that to all the senior police officials. It's not that it's a fight between Indian Army or police. It's fight
Yeah.
for these four corrupted officers and one SSP Nanak who has been involved in number of. He has come to Patiala. He was sent from Patiala, then Mansa. Everywhere, wherever he goes, why is there a case which happens?
Absolutely. I just want to again acknowledge your courage, your conviction, your dam, like a true Sikhani, if I may say so, as a Punjabi myself. And Gurinder ji has also acknowledged that in his column. Our heart goes out to what your husband and your son went through, and I cannot understand why the chief minister is silent, why he has not reached out, why he has not called you over. Mujhe to matlab, it's beyond my comprehension. But may you get justice, and we are with you every step of the way. Gurinder Dhillon and
Thank you,
Jaswinder
Gurinder ji.
Kaur Bhatt. Thank you, Ji.
Thank you,
Thank you to
Barkat.
both of you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Take care. Take care.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye for now.
It's great to see you here. Thank you for watching our work. If you haven't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the bell icon and subscribe to Mojo Story and support independent, robust journalism.